I'm only 9 years old and I got no money in my wallet. Oh yeah, my wallet. I've been making wallets at this factory.
Welcome to my job, like hold on, got no time to talk, gotta work my umpteen hours at the sweatshop. If I died less than 10 years would flash, and I didn't even get to grow a mustache. Coming in hella late, about to close that factory gate. Dressed in barely nothing cause I told you that I woke up late. Probably be dock pay, if I got paid. If you ask my boss, I'll bet he'll just say I'm paying you 99 cents. If I get copper, I'm watching about to sell you up some clothes that fit that I don't get no profit from, but I still bet you're buying it. Kids from 6 to 14 be working in this environment. Can't even grow up because of how much working time was spent working in the factory. All these undeveloped children working in the factory. If you ask me, this is close to slavery. Little to no paper man with small amounts of bravery. I had my childhood, I lost my childhood. Went from playing tag to working with some wood. Hello, this should be illegal. This should not exist in the country of the eagle. I've been working too long, treated like a donkey. The people will be like,
oh, his legs are wonky. I'm only 9 years old and I got no money in my wallet. Oh yeah, my wallet. I've been making wallets at this factory. I'm only 9 years old and I got no money in my wallet. Oh yeah, my wallet. I've been making wallets at this factory.
What you knowin' about being denied an education? What you knowin' about working for lower wages? I'm working with smaller fingers. The children put in work while the bosses stand and linger. Every week I'm seeing another kid get injured. The kid this week just happened to be ginger. I plan to protest, you can catch me at the gate wall. Tell your friends and family meet me up at the gate wall. Your brother, another, your sister or mother will take anyone who agrees that these businessmen are mother. We need someone to take a stand against mother. Every day I get beat by these mother. They be like, oh, keep trying, you'll never win. I'm like, really? Explain all of this then. Time for celebration, they passed up some legislation. Child labor is finally illegal and out with. I call that no longer working for a business. I call that the day slavery was done with. It's been way too long, and the dependence on all child laborers has been way too strong these days. Ask a kid to work and they'll say nope. Tell them that they're working, they'll reply, man, I hella won't. Man, I hella won't. I'm out of breath.
I'm only 9 years old and I got no money in my wallet. Oh yeah, my wallet. I've been making wallets at this factory. I work from dusk to dawn, from clothes to mowing lawn. I'm glad that Bill had one, so I can sleep when I yawn. I work from dusk to dawn, from close to mowing lawns. I'm glad that Bill had one, so I can sleep when I yawn. I'm only 9 years old and I got some money in my wallet. Oh yeah, my wallet. I quit making wallets at this factory.